Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Sign in and open the Google Docs document where you want a custom font. Once done, make sure you're using Chrome or a supported browser because the next steps require extensions and Drive integration. You'll need the font file in TTF or OTT format saved on your computer. Now upload that file to Google Drive. That upload is the single actionable step that enables the rest. Do this now so you can move to installing the helper that makes the font usable. You'll install a Fonts Installer extension that bridges Drive and Docs. Once the extension is added, open the uploaded TTF or OTT file in Drive and choose the extension's Open With option. This registers the font. Make sure to authorize access when prompted so the extension can read the file in Drive. After registration, the extension converts and stores the font for Google Docs to reference. This middle step is the complex piece. Follow prompts exactly and grant permissions so the font appears in your font list. Now apply the font. Open Docs, click the font menu, and select the newly added font from the list. If it doesn't show up immediately, refresh the document and clear your browser cache. Sometimes propagation takes a moment. If problems persist, reauthorize the extension in Google Account Settings or upload the font file and repeat the Open With step. One key troubleshooting tip: check Drive file permissions and extension access. Most failures come from missing authorization, so make sure the extension can access the font file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.